It is important to give proper credit to cited authors or displayed works, so the Molongui Authorship Pro plugin helps you properly credit your authors and contributors for their work, making this task easier and hassle-free. Unfortunately, if you want to do advanced searches, execute bulk changes, export or import hundreds of guest authors, you won't be able to, as the plugin doesn't give you these options. To help you with these tasks, you'll need the WP Sheet Editor plugin, which allows you to edit any type of post using an intuitive spreadsheet. All guest author profiles will be displayed in the spreadsheet, so you can edit them as if you were in Excel or Google Sheets, as well as providing powerful search, bulk edit, export and import tools. You'll find the link to download the plugin in the description of this video. Also, you can find the link to our written guide. After activating both plugins, we need to set up the guest author spreadsheet. To do this, we go to the Setup Spreadsheet section in WP Sheet Editor. Then we select the guest author's post type, but if you don't see it, you just have to enter guest authors here, and add it. Now we need to choose which columns will be displayed in the spreadsheet and which will not. When we're done choosing, we'll save the changes to generate the spreadsheet. After setting up the spreadsheet, we'll see all the guest author profiles displayed as rows and their fields as columns. The search tool allows you to filter all your guest authors using various search parameters. In this case, we'll show you how to search for guest authors by keyword. To do this, just hover your mouse cursor over the search tool. This will bring up the quick search field, and you'll have to enter the keyword here. In this case, we'll look for all guest authors called John. Then press enter on the keyboard. And all the guest authors with that name will be filtered. If you want to search for guest authors by company, start by opening the search tool. After that, tick the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Select the Molongui Guest Author Company field. Use the equal operator. And enter the company here. Then run the search. If you want to search for guest authors by job, start by opening the search tool. Once you open the search tool, check the Enable Advanced Filters checkbox. Look for the Molongui Guest Author Job field. We'll use the equal operator. Enter the author's job here. And run the search. Now we can see all the guest authors containing the selected job. You can also search for all guest authors by email company. For example, all guest authors whose email account is Gmail. To do this, open the search tool. Check here to activate the advanced filters. Select the Molongui Guest Author Mail field. The operator will be contains. Now enter the email company here. And run the search to filter all the guest authors with the selected email company. Now let's learn how to search for all guest authors missing their featured image. For this, open the search tool. Once the tool is open, activate the advanced filters. Enter the featured image field here. Leave the equal operator. And leave this field empty. Then run the search. Now all the guest authors missing their featured image will be displayed in the spreadsheet. In addition to advanced searches, WP Sheet Editor allows you to bulk edit any field of your guest author's spreadsheet. First, let's see how to set the same email address for all selected guest authors. To do this, we need to open the bulk edit tool. Then, select the rows you want to update. In this case, will be all from our current search. Now select the Molongui Guest Author Mail field. Select to set the value. Enter the new email address here. Finally, execute to apply the changes to all the selected guest authors. Now let's learn how you can bulk replace a specific company from all the selected guest authors. First, open the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, select the rows you want to update. Select the Molongui Guest Author Company field. Choose Replace. Enter the company you want to remove here. And enter the company you want to add here. Finally, execute. As you can see, now the company has been replaced from all the selected guest authors. If you need to copy from title to display name and all the selected guest authors, it is super easy with the bulk edit tool. Once the tool is open, let's select the rows we want to update. Select the Molongui Guest Author Display Name field. The edit type will be copy from other columns. Now select the title column. Then execute. Once the process is finished, you'll see that the content from the title column has been copied to the display name column. We'll now show you how to remove the web from all selected guest authors with the bulk edit tool. First, we'll select the rows we want to update. Then, select the field Molongui Guest Author Web. We'll use the clear value option. And execute. Now the guest author web has been deleted from all the selected profiles. If you'll be some time without internet and want to use your free time to edit the guest author profiles offline, you can quickly export all the profiles to a CSV file. To do this, we need to start by opening the export tool. Here we can select the columns we want to export. In this case, I'll select to export all active columns. We'll export the rows from our current search. Optionally, select the app you'll use to edit the file. And export the CSV file. This is an example of how your CSV file will look like. Once you've made changes to the existing guest authors or created new ones, you can import them quickly to WordPress. But first remember to save the file if you are working with Excel, or download the file if you've edited it with Google Sheets. Once the CSV file is ready, let's import it using the import tool. Here, select the source of the document, in this case the computer. Choose the CSV file that you'll import. And hit Next. Select to import all the columns. Now select to create new items, and update existing items. Then you'll be prompted to enter a column from your CSV file and a WordPress field so that the new information can be entered correctly. In this case, we'll select Record ID here, and ID here. And click Next to go on. Now we can see a preview of how the information will look once it's imported. If everything is okay, click here to start the import process. Definitely, WP Sheet Editor is the best add-on for the Molongui Authorship plugin, as it allows you to bulk edit thousands of guest author profiles with just a few clicks. Plus, if you want to work offline, just export all guest authors to a CSV file and download it to your computer, and once you're done, you import the changes and new guest authors quickly to WordPress. This will undoubtedly increase your productivity noticeably because you won't have to open and edit profiles, and you'll be able to do advanced searches quickly. Remember that you'll find a link to the written guide, and the link to download the plugin in the description of the video. We have live chat support on our website. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to find more video tutorials.